Top boss, did you know that a defective transformer could go all the way to your house and affect your home appliance? Any loose connection on the transformer that is serving you with power, especially if it is serving your appliances with three-phase connectivity or even single-phase, they will definitely be affected in one way or the other. A transformer that is not properly earthed and does not have effective connection or effective devices to safeguard it from a power surge or any issue will definitely affect you.
My top boss, today I'm vlogging on this transformer here. It is a transformer of interest to me because of the various features that it has. This is a three-phase transformer in a commercial setup. Why? Because there are so many power lines, like you can see a lot of low voltage power lines on either side of the transformer, and this means that there is a huge load that has been connected, especially this being a commercial area. There's a lot of commercial setup that have been connected here, meaning that a lot of customers have been connected to this three-phase transformer. There's something that I would want to talk about, and this is the neutral. The neutral is definitely a return path for all the phases when we are talking about this transformer here. This neutral is serving all the phases for this transformer, meaning it is serving the red phase, the yellow phase, as well as the blue phase. Every load that has been connected to that particular phase is actually returned to by the neutral to the source, which is the transformer. There is a need for me to emphasize that in case the neutral here breaks, there needs to be something that is referred to as a floating neutral. If a floating neutral occurs at this particular transformer, then every customer that is connected to that phase, be it the red phase, the yellow phase, or the blue phase, will definitely experience a power surge. This power surge will damage each and every of their electrical appliances. Sometimes it can be so huge that it can result into a fire, burning down property. So floating neutral on this transformer here will definitely affect. Like you can see, there are lines that are on this side that are coming from this transformer. Every person that is connected on that line will definitely be affected. The same will happen to every person that is connected on this line of the transformer. They will suffer from that power surge, and all their appliances will blow up unless they are switched off.
But top boss, did you know that there is a gadget that can be installed in the consumer unit which can actually stop these power surge from hitting your home, your appliances, and it is normally installed in the consumer unit. In a previous video, I covered exactly how to wire a consumer unit and I talked about this device. I have shared the video link on the description of this video. You can check it out. Now, top boss, ensure that you are safe together with your home appliances, and when doing an electrical installation, ensure that all the cables are in a conduit system that cannot be affected by a power surge. I have also shared a link to a video explaining how to select the cables for heating circuits.
Have one instant shower head supplied by these wires: the neutral, the earth, and the live connection. Each of these wires are rated at 4.0 millimeter square. That is the cross-sectional area of the wires themselves. And the insulation of these wires is perfect consideration because they carry a lot of current supplying to an instant shower head, which is basically a heater.